CodeFusion Studio is an award-winning embedded software development platform built on the familiar Visual Studio Code interface. It enables users to access everything they need in one place, from project creation to documentation. Experience powerful integrated pin and clock configurations, as well as heterogeneous debug capabilities. With our ELF visualization tools and support for MSDK and Zephyr 3.7 RTOSes, CodeFusion Studio is built by and for developers to accelerate and embrace modern software pipelines. Command line first, with support on Windows, Linux, and Mac, you are always in control of your embedded development environment with CodeFusion Studio. To learn more, visit analog.com/CodeFusion Studio.